make a dimension style. As you can see on the screen, there's already an example of our drawing, so I'll be using an annotative dimension. Just go to Annotate on the ribbon and click the small arrow, then choose the New. And name my style as D-Style. Then continue. You can adjust the numerical value, but I will stay as it is, so okay. Then close. I will be plotting on this drawing now. I use linear dimension. Just click on a specific endpoint to another endpoint, then pull up. A measurement will appear. Another one is then pull down. A measurement of the two endpoints appeared. Thank you, and I hope that you learned something while having fun in our discussion.